All right, so November is almost done and we're about to head into the holiday season in December. Christmas, New Year, all of that is coming up. Even Black Friday is coming up. So you want to go ahead and make the most out of the rest of the Q4 so you can get as much money and as much capital as possible to head into the new year. So I don't want to waste any more of your guys' time. It's going to be a really quick video. I'm just going to share with you guys some tips and tricks so you can implement within your ads or creatives or whatever else you're running. So starting off, as we're getting into Black Friday and Christmas, you want to go ahead and implement those Christmas hooks, those Black Friday hooks. So for example, you would say this is the best gift for Christmas or Black Friday. Pretty much just emphasize that it's on sale so more and more people come and buy from you. Next thing you want to do is find winning products. Now you're probably asking, like, how do I find winning products? Now, me personally, I have a separate account on Instagram, and I pretty much just keep scrolling until I find something that it looks like an ad, it looks like somebody's drop shipping. If a lot of their videos have more views than how many followers they have, then I consider that product to be a winning product. Now, you can even go as far as 2023 back in Q4 and bring back old winning products. Chances are, if it worked one time, it'll work a second time and a third time. So I recommend bringing back other winning products back in the day. Now, at the same time as all of this, you want to be testing as much products as possible. If you don't see a winning product within the first week of testing, you can go ahead and change your product. If your video is not going viral, you're not going to get sales. Once you see that you're going viral and getting sales, you want to go ahead and stick with that niche and stick with that product for the rest of Q4. Then if it's continuing to scale up, you can go ahead and take that into Q1 and pretty much make that into a brand. But anyways, it was a really quick video for you guys. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you have any questions whatsoever, go ahead and comment down below. Or if you want to reach me faster, you can go ahead and DM me down in the description below on Instagram. But yeah, that's pretty much it.